and you should get arcs on its opposite side. So you can see these 2 points you got of intersection here, 1 point over here, second point over here. So from these 2 points again you will draw intersecting arc. Okay, so this is a total distance, right? This is a total distance, no? And this is half of it. So as I told you, take distance more than half and draw intersecting arc. One from this point, another from the other point of intersection of the arc. Okay, so it is not intersecting in this first case, so I will extend. Okay, so you can see the point of intersection of the two arcs. Now I will join this. Okay, so point X and this point of intersection I will join. Okay, so extend it down here. Always remember, when you draw altitudes, your orthocenter is outside the triangle. So always when you draw altitude, please extend the side when you draw altitude here. So this is what perpendicular symbol will come here. So from X you are drawn perpendicular to this opposite side, side Y. So write 1 point over here. Okay, suppose if I name as A. So this XA perpendicular to ZY. Okay. Now next one, you draw altitude. Now take the another altitude. Now X is over. Now take another altitude Y. So for Y, for vertex Y, which is the opposite side, XZ. So from vertex Y, you draw altitude now. So keep the rounder on Y. Its opposite side is what? XZ. So just extend the rounder little bit more than XZ. Okay, it should go a little bit outside XZ, its opposite side. So draw a smiley arc. Again you can see there are 2 points of intersection here. So from these 2 points you will keep the rounder again and draw intersecting arc. Okay, so this is the second point now. So without disturbing the same distance of the rounder will take and keep the rounder on second arc and draw this intersecting arc. So join this now. So point Y is joined to this point of intersection. Okay. So this is another altitude drawn from Y. So you can see this line passing through Y. Please extend this also. So arrow mark. Okay, altitude symbol will come here, right? This is perpendicular symbol. So first altitude was XA. Now second altitude will be YB. You can name this point as point B. And now which is the third vertex left? It is vertex Z. So from Z, for vertex Z, which is the opposite side, it is XY. Right? So you have to keep the rounder on Z and draw arc on opposite side, that is XY. But when you draw arc, the altitude will be somewhere here. So keep the rounder here and take distance this way. Okay, this will take distance. Don't keep the rounder on Z, because many students it is seen that they, since the opposite side of Z is XY, we take rounder this way and try to draw arc. This way the arc will be very much big. That's why remember, don't go towards XY. You should go this way here, because altitude will be always perpendicular, right, to its opposite side. So take distance this way. Rounder you hold this way at point Z and extend this rounder towards this extended side XY. Here you will come. And now draw arc. Okay, you can see these two arcs. Okay, these two arcs you can see. You can, if you join, you will get a smiley face. If you want, you can do that also. Okay, you will get a smiley face this way. So these 2 points of intersection you will get on side XY. This first point, this is second point. So from these 2 points of intersection now, again you will keep the rounder, take end distance more than half and draw one arc. Okay, one arc. I have taken more distance a little bit. Okay, one arc from this point. Okay, see this is the first point. I have drawn one arc over here. Okay, this arc. And second arc, again I will draw from this point. This is second arc intersection. Okay, so now join this point Z is joined to this arc, point of intersection of the two arcs. So this is another altitude. Now since this is the altitude drawn from Z, you will draw a perpendicular symbol at this point. Okay, this is XY, no? Side XY is extended here, and this altitude is intersecting this XY at this point. So name this point as C and show a writing symbol. Okay, so tell me the name of the three altitudes. First altitude is drawn from X, so it is what? XA. Altitude A name is XA, which is perpendicular to its opposite side YZ. Then second altitude is drawn from Y to its opposite side XZ. So the name of second altitude is YB. Okay, see, first altitude is XA, second altitude is YB, third altitude is drawn from Z to its opposite side XY. But you can see the smiley face, the arc which you are drawing from point Z, it will go outside this. That's why this side also is extended. XY is also extended, so we get 2 point of intersection. So name of the altitude drawn from Z is ZC. So where these three altitudes are meeting? Can you locate the point where they are meeting? See this line, this is the first altitude, this is second altitude, and this is third altitude. So where these three altitudes are meeting each other? It is this point. Okay, you can see this point, it is outside the triangle XYZ. So this point is called orthocenter O. Okay, orthocenter O, and the name of triangle is XYZ. So remember, for obtuse angle triangle, the orthocenter O is always outside the triangle. For right angle triangle, the orthocenter will lie exactly at the right angle of a triangle. And for acute angle triangle, the orthocenter will always be inside the triangle. Okay, so please remember the three positions of the orthocenter. In acute angle triangle, the orthocenter is inside triangle. In right angle triangle, the orthocenter is exactly on the right angle, and in obtuse angle triangle, the orthocenter is outside the triangle. Okay, remember this property. So today we'll stop here, in which you have learned construction of altitudes in all the three types of triangle. So please revise this properly, and you can see this video again if you have any doubts, any construction. If you want to see, you can play this video again and see it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and bye everyone.